See, we had some strawberries and some pineapples hidden around there. Now we're eating some banana. Oh, banana's not good. You get one more bite. We're not eating the rest of that. Okay, you want this one? Yuck. It's got some bad parts in it, doesn't it? Ugh.